Hi students, MCQ number 32. 2 point charges plus 3 microcoulomb and plus 8 microcoulomb repel each other with a force of 40 Newton. If a charge of minus 5 microcoulomb is added to each of them, then the force between them will become how much we have to find out. It is a very easy and very simple question. You see, first I have drawn the picture of two charges Q1 and Q2. So Q1 is plus 3 microcoulomb and Q2 is plus 8 microcoulomb. The distance of separation is not given. But still from Coulomb's law of electrostatics we can write the force between them. The force between them is F1 and it is proportional to what? Q1 into Q2. So this is proportional to Q1 is 3. So this is 3 into 10 power minus 6 into plus 8. So this is 8 into 10 power minus 6 and it is proportional to 8 3s are 24. So 24 into 10 to the power of minus 12. Okay, this is the first step. Now afterwards you can see here, if a charge of minus 5 microcoulomb is added to each of them. So now in the second case I am going to take a Q1 dash. So Q1 dash is equal to plus 3 minus 5. Okay, plus 3 minus 5 microcoulomb. So earlier its charge was plus 3. Now we are adding minus 5 microcoulomb. So that now it will become what? Minus 2 microcoulomb. Okay, Q1 dash is how much? Minus 2. So this has become minus 2 microcoulomb. Then what is Q2 dash? Q2 dash already how much it is there? Plus 8. So this is plus 8 minus 5 microcoulomb. So this is equal to 8 minus 5 is plus 3 microcoulomb. So here it is plus 3 microcoulomb. At the same distance of separation, now the charges, magnitude of the charges has changed. So the force will change. Therefore, F2 is proportional to Q1 dash into Q2 dash. Okay. So it is proportional to Q1 dash into Q2 dash, that is minus 2. So this is minus 2 into 10 power minus 6 multiplied by 3 into 10 to the power of minus 6. So 3 into minus 2, that is minus 6. Therefore F2 is proportional to minus 6 into 10 to the power of minus 12. So F1 is proportional to 24 into 10 power minus 12 and F2 is proportional to minus 6 into 10 power minus 12. Therefore F2 divided by F1 must be equal to minus 6 into 10 power minus 12 divided by 24 into 10 to the power of minus 12. Now 10 power minus 12 get cancelled and F2 by F1 is equal to 6 4s are 24, is it not? So 6 4 times 24. So this is equal to minus 1 by 4. Therefore what is F2 is equal to minus of F1 divided by 4. So this is equal to minus of F1. The initial force between them is given as 40 Newton. So this is equal to minus 40 divided by 4, that is equal to minus 10. Therefore the new force F2 is equal to minus 10 Newton is the answer. So which of the option? Option A itself is the correct answer. Therefore option A is the correct answer. So this I am telling you, for the beginners and learners only, all these methods and all. Still shortcuts you have to follow. At the beginning you learn like this stepwise and practice it many times so that you will get an idea. Direct first step itself we can get the answer. You practice well. I hope you must have understood well. Fine.